Yes, I'm a technical analyst. There you go. This is something that I cannot deny. Now that we have cleared that up, let me introduce you to the fascinating world of technical analysis. I'm sure that you have heard many definitions of technical analysis involving terms like Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, Heiken Ashi, Hrami, and many other strange names. The good news is that technical analysis is much simpler than that. Look at the price chart to identify the beginning of the next trend. Easy, right? I remember when I was delivering a seminar in Africa in a venue packed with 300 people when I asked for the definition of technical analysis. After I received many false and complicated definitions, one of my students stood up, took the microphone and said, "Sir, technical analysis is the study of the price chart to identify the direction of the market and, most importantly, the beginning of the new direction." I said, "What about any tools?" And then he goes on to say, "Sir, price is the best tool." I couldn't agree more. Of course, I have to confess that in the beginning of my trading career, I experimented with lots of indicators and oscillators. The more indicators and oscillators I used, the more I lost. After reading many books and attending many seminars, I came to realize that price is the boss. This is the point where you feel relieved. Yes, you feel free from searching day and night for the best indicator that will give you only profits and no losses. Am I suggesting not to use any indicators? Well, as a beginner, you may need to use a couple of them. For example, a moving average and a momentum oscillator to boost your confidence. Of course, if volume is available for the financial instruments that you are trading, then I strongly suggest that you use volume, because volume is a confirming indicator. It confirms not only the direction of the market, but also its reversal. Volume gives you hints that the established trend is running out of steam, or the reversal of the trend has potential to move further. Follow me to find out.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.